Now question number 8 from practice set 2.3. Question number 8. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. Students, words like root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. are in the simplest form. In division, you have to divide radicand by radicand. So first sub question, root 98 divided by root 2, root 98 divided by root 2. So root 98 divided by root 2 is equal to root 98 upon root 2. But 98 divided by 2 means 49. 98 divided by 2 means 49. So root 98 upon root 2 is equal to root 49. But root 49 is 7. Root 49 is 7. Therefore, root 98 divided by root 2 is equal to 7. Second sub question. Root 125 divided by root 50. Solution. Root 125 divided by root 50 equal to root 125 upon root 50. But 125 we can write as 25 into 5. 25 5s are 125. And 50 we can write as 25 into 2. 25 2s are 50. So root of 125 means root of 25 into 5 upon root 50 means root of 25 into 2. So equal to root of 25 into 5 upon root of 25 into 2. Now students, cancel root 25 and root 25 from numerator and denominator. So equal to root 5 upon root 2 means equal to root of 5 upon 2, equal to root of 5 upon 2. Students, third and fourth sub questions are homework. Now question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means you have to change denominator into a rational number. You have to change denominator into a rational number. So first sub question is 3 upon root 5. Answer, 3 upon root 5. Rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5. Rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5. Rationalizing factor means if the product of two surds is a rational number, then each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. If the product of two surds is a rational number, then each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. Here root 5 into root 5 means root 25. So root 25 means 5. So product of two surds is a rational number. So rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5. Therefore 3 upon root 5 is equal to 3 upon root 5. Write this 3 upon root 5 here as it is. So there 3 upon root 5 is equal to 3 upon root 5. Now multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 into root 5 is 3 root 5. And root 5 into root 5 means root 25. And root 25 means 5. So equal to 3 root 5 upon 5. So 3 upon root 5 is equal to 3 root 5 upon 5. Change this denominator into a rational number. Second sub question. 1 upon root 14. 1 upon root 14. Rationalizing factor of root 14 is root 14. Rationalizing factor of root 14 is root 14. Therefore, 1 upon root 14 is equal to 1 upon root 14. Again multiply numerator and denominator by root 14. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 14. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 1 into root 14 is root 14 and root 14 into root 14 is 14. So equal to root 14 upon 14. So 1 upon root 14 is equal to root 14 upon 14. Now fourth sub question. 6 upon 9 root 3. 6 upon 9 root 3. Now, rationalizing factor of 9 root 3 is root 3. Rationalizing factor of 9 root 3 is root 3. Therefore, 6 upon 9 root 3 is equal to 6 upon 9 root 3. Again multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 6 into root 3 is 6 root 3 and 9 root 3 into root 3 means 9 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9 and root 9 means 3. So 6 root 3 upon 9 into 3. Now find out the lowest form. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. So equal to 2 root 3 upon 9 equal to 2 root 3 upon 9. So 6 upon 9 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 upon 9. Students, third and fifth sub questions are homework.